Hello everyone, this is Tiffany, and today I'm excited to introduce our company's stretch bar display, a product specifically designed for smart transportation systems, perfect for environments like buses and metro stations.
This display features full metal structure, making it not only durable but also resistant to radiation, magnetic fields, and strong electric interference, ensuring stable performance in harsh environments. It boasts a 28.6-inch IPS screen with a 1920 by 560 high resolution, delivering sharp and detailed images, whether it's daytime or nighttime. The 178-degree wide viewing angle ensures a clear view from virtually any position. Installation is straightforward, featuring an embedded mounting system, and the display is equipped with shock-absorbing rubber to ensure stable performance even in challenging environments. This display is designed for 24/7 continuous operation, offering high reliability, low power consumption, and exceptional stability for long-term use. It provides real-time road information and city advertisements, helping to improve the convenience of the public transportation systems used inside buses and metros. Built to withstand temperatures from -10 to 60 degrees Celsius, this display is capable of operating in tough environments, ensuring reliable performance no matter where it's deployed. With its exceptional performance and reliable design, the stretch bar display is a perfect solution for enhancing smart transportation systems. Thank you for watching. Bye.